What up, YouTube? It's your boy Curtis, aka Pix. GoPro, start recording. Today we got a pair. Just came in the mail. Let's see what we got picked up. These are pretty nice. Placed the order for a couple of sneakers this week. Which they actually came with some green laces. That would be dope. Even though I pretty much like wearing white laces with all my sneakers for the most part. So, these are the Jordan 3 Lucky Green. I like the fact that they got this green hang tag on it. We got a white upper with the gray elephant print. They didn't mess these up like they did the reimagined 3s, the white cements. So my elephant on both pairs actually match. Actually, no. One is a lot darker than the other. Similar to my white cement ones. To my cement white 3s. So you see, they seem like they've been having some issues with getting the elephant print correct. So, but overall, a really dope pair of sneakers. They look like they still with that reimagined 3, meaning that reimagined feeling, because the lowers is like that tan age look. You got a light tumbled leather on the top. You got the red Jumpman on the tongue, which is pretty dope. I like the fact that they added the hang tag to this one. My white cements, they didn't actually come with a hang tag, but I definitely would have enjoyed seeing a hang tag with these. If you're not already following me, give me a follow on Instagram. My Instagram is KillerKicks_90. And I post up daily on IG. So whether it's outfits, things like that, you can actually check me out. If you want to see some matchups with the outfits, or if you want to see some, in my opinion, some cool sock matchups with your sneakers. So I'll give these a quick lace over. Let me know if you guys added some green laces to these, because green laces would actually probably set these off right. And let me know if you're a person that relace your sneakers when you get them in, or do you straight out of the box just throw them on your feet? I can't front, I do a little bit of both. Throw them on my feet right away. Sometimes I'll swap out one of the laces if I'm not being lazy. Sometimes straight out of the box, I just like how they look, and that's how they end up going on foot. I always take off the hang tag, but when I shoot my content, I don't rush to pull off the hang tags. But I know people be getting me in the comments like, take off the hang tag while you still got the hang tag on. So quick lace up right here, or relace up. That way we get the laces done correct. These are definitely a dope pair. These are women's size 10, men's size 8.5. Most of the time, I do try to go get the 11, in women's, which is a size 9. I usually like putting my sneakers on and having them with some extra space, especially even though with threes, if I get extra space in them, they do flop off my feet sometimes, so I gotta tie the laces up a little tighter, which I hate tying my laces, but I'm definitely gonna like these right here. I got the Lucky Green 3s, the Lucky Green 1s, which is dope. I'm gonna see if these colors is safe. It's a new t-shirt design I did. I think they don't go perfect with these or these. I like this Lucky Green colorway. Lately I've been vibing with green, buying a ton of green stuff. So let me know which laces you put in the Lucky Green ones. I did add the black and the green, which I'm surprised I didn't just switch them all to black and get rid of the green. And with these, even though I was hoping they came with a green pair of laces, I probably would have kept them the white. I like how the white look on these. So, let me know in the comments what you picked up lately. Those SB4s in that green colorway really looks so nice in the collection. But this is one of my tees that I actually made. I'll put the link inside the bio. I think this will work perfect with this. So that's pretty much the vid, y'all.